Today we're going to take a quick tour of the first commercial laboratory that was designed exclusively for rearing the tiny ST beetle, which is the most effective biological way to manage the ravenous Hemlock woolly adelgid, also known as HWA. This little bug is wreaking havoc on our majestic hemlocks, not only in our forests and our cities, but also possibly in our own backyard. So today we're going to introduce you to Tree Savers, which is partnering to save the majestic hemlocks. We're going to take a quick tour of the lab, which is about ready to open within the next week.
We have our first rearing cage, and inside are the hemlock branches infested with Hemlock woolly adelgid. We roll this back, and this is going to prevent our beetles from escaping when we have them next week. And we reach in with our hands, preferably with gloves, and you basically can just maneuver the branches around and you'll see the beetles. At the end of the season, we actually will be taking these out from the tips here, and all of this material here is going to contain every rearing life stage of the Sasagesimnus tsugae beetle. So those, the ST beetles, we're going to call them for short, are going to be coming out with their eggs, larvae, and pupa that may not have completely developed yet. And one of our shipping practices here is to put them in specially marked containers. This is really, in this case, we're actually going to have to take each hemlock branch out of this cage here, and we're going to have to tap them lightly, and all of the beetles are going to come out underneath. And then we're going to hand count them. And over here, this is how we keep track. And of course it's important to know the males from the females. That's why I have the distinguishing stickers. That's so that we can keep track for our jars. But as we do that, then we can take the beetles off of that, put it on new material for you. If you have an area where you do not want to release on infested hemlock branches, we have another method. And that's this, where we use a straw material. And that straw material is biodegradable, and you can put that right on your trees instead of the infested hemlock. So just so that you can tell here, we use this to open up the egg sacs. In here there are several hundreds of eggs, and probably in the realm of like 20 per thing when they're really 20 per puff. And then you can zero in through the microscope. Unfortunately, we can't show you what it looks like, but an adult adelgid probably has about 20 eggs in each one of these sacs right now. So let's take a walk into the lab, and you can see our temperature control settings and our jar setup. Here's going to be our jar rack. And let's see, here you can see our temperature settings. Ideally, they should be between 76 and 79 degrees Fahrenheit. And we also should keep the humidity anywhere between 47 and 55% humidity. And this is for optimal breeding temperatures. Down below, you can see some of our pick food. This is going to be what we put in the jars because they have the highest density of Hemlock woolly adelgid. So these particular spear shapes are going to be perfect for us to put about 4 of those per jar, and out of these 4 twigs about this big, we're going to expect to get between 500 and 600 eggs per jar per week. This is how we distinguish food from location that we collected it. If anything ever ends up contaminated, then we can locate that by one box and then make sure that we aren't shipping contaminated materials. And this is the line of our boxes, the first one. There are several. We're expecting 5 weeks of activity from egg to adult, so we're going to try to go through here and hopefully have a section per week to be shipping out. I'll just let Amanda pan around the entire room so you can see about how many cages we're expecting to have running at a time. And we do have temperature controls all over the lab because it's very important that we keep track of that. And this is about a month's worth of pick food along the wall here. We have to have them a month in advance so that we have a chance for the hemlock woolly adelgid to lay eggs, because one of the most important parts about biological control with the ST beetle is that they will not reproduce without woolly adelgid eggs. So if they have woolly adelgid eggs, they lay their own eggs. That's why that's so important.